Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to find the accounts and backup option. Let's tap on it. As you can see, the let's say third section is connected to the Google Drive, so let's tap on backup data, and here we have to tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and what's more, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, and after tapping on next your device will simply autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so it can be either you or your child. It's of course up to you. I will stick with this option. And right now we can check the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, of course, if you want to. Just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so here we can check that we are able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. And here we've got also the info that your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage your backup easily. So of course, all you have to do is to simply tap on turn on, but if for some reason you've decided that you do not really want to back up the data right now, just tap on not now. As you can see, we will go back to the accounts and backup section, and after a while, if you will decide that you really want to back up the data right now, just go back to this section and tap on backup data again. And as you can see, you will be immediately transferred to this step, so you do not have to go through the whole operation of adding the account and learning everything, reading and so on. So just tap on turn on, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the section, to the backup section. So here you can manage the storage, you can check how much space you've got used. Here we've got the details, backup details, so which data has been backed up and which not. As you can see, no data has been backed off in my case. So if you want to back up the data, just tap on backup now, and as you can see, we've got the info that our device is backing up the data. So basically that's all. This is how to enable Google backup in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.